Wells Fargo's new changes, what you need to know. Wells Fargo just announced some major changes. If you bank with them, here's what you need to know. First, the monthly fee for their everyday checking account is going up from $10 to $15. To avoid the fee, you now need to keep a $1,000 minimum daily balance instead of $500. Or you can still waive it with direct deposits of $500 or more. Second, their savings account rates are getting even worse, dropping to 0.10% APY. That's basically nothing. Other banks are paying over 4%. If you have savings there, you're losing money to inflation. Third, the out-of-network ATM fee is increasing from $2.50 to $3. If you use other ATMs often, this adds up. Some other banks reimburse these fees. Fourth, there's actually a positive change to overdraft policies. You'll now have until the next business day to bring your account positive before getting a fee, and they've capped it at 1 fee per day instead of 3. Fifth, they're adding some new features to their online banking and app, like spending notifications and better budgeting tools. They're catching up to what other banks already offer. So, what should you do? If you use direct deposit and can waive the fee, your checking account might be okay. But you should definitely move any savings to a high-yield account at another bank. If you can't meet the new $1,000 balance requirement, it might be time to switch banks entirely.